How to set an alarm on Android or Samsung phone. Let's get started. Launch your clock app. Here we go. Now at the bottom right corner you can find this plus icon. Click on it. Now from this page you are able to set alarm. First you have to select the time period. I'm gonna set it to 5 AM. After you select the time period, now I have to customize these settings. Click on the option of ringtone. From there you can select the ringtone for your alarm. Likewise, click on the option of repeat. You can set it to daily or you can customize the day of the alarm. Likewise, hit back. If you want to enable vibration as well, toggle on for the option vibrate when alarm sounds. Clicking on this option of label, you can give a name to your alarm. After you customize all these settings, click on this icon given at the top right corner. With that, you have just set the alarm. Well, this is how you can easily set an alarm on Android or Samsung phone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.